Another natural disaster happened in Argentina after a terrible flood. A strong sandstorm and a devastating tornado hit the country. A line of violent storms hit central Argentina, causing severe sandstorms, high winds and tornadoes. In San Juan, a severe sandstorm caused severe power outages, water interruptions and extensive property damage. A strong wind knocked down trees and destroyed the stalls in the central square, damaged the roofs of houses. In Cordoba, a devastating tornado also occurred, which was accompanied by rains. It raged for about 10 minutes, and during this time it managed to cause great material damage to the locals and greatly frightened them. In 2021, natural disasters have become more frequent. We are seeing climate change in many countries around the world. It is not known how 2021 will end.